Tagal na nating hindi nakita. Ako'y nasasabi na sa'yo, kamusta ka na, nalulungkot ka rin ba? Sana'y kapiling kita.
Heyo, what's up guys? So nandito tayo ngayon sa Rupina Golden Village dito sa Malolos. So meron tayong small events na tutugtugan dito, 70th birthday ni Ma'am. Dito yung venue niya. Yan, so mamaya pasukin natin. At yun nga mga kabirak, so kanina nakapag-setup na tayo. So papakita ko lang sa inyo yung naging setup natin, tsaka yung munting venue. So ito yung ating setup, lagi natin ginagamit. Then ito yung 70th birthday ni Ma'am Mel. At yun nga, at hindi na rin masyadong nagtagalan, nagsimula na rin tayo.
Before you walk, that's the time I said that you belong to me. You is my mind, imagine how the world could be. So very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the sky will be blue for all my life. You again, like I did, who I used to say. I would never fall in love again till I found her. I said I would never fall unless you wanted to. I was lost within the darkness that I found her around you. Kinukuha ng isipan, pabalik sa nakaraan. Binibini ko, sana'y maintindihan. Alam kong ilan lang tayo nakatagpo, ngunit para lang sa'yo ayaw na lumayo. Ipagpatawad mo kung may naguguluhan. Somehow find you and I tonight. Don't stop here. I lost my place. Ano lang sir, meron na ulit kamusta ka ng Ray Valera lang po. Ano? Kay tagal na nating hindi nakita. Ako'y nasasabi na sa'yo, kamusta ka na, nalulungkot ka rin ba? Sana Thank you so much, sir. Kamusta ka ba, River? Thank you so much, sir, sa requested song. Ayan, muli po happy birthday po kay Sir Mel. Ma'am Mel pala, sorry. Happy 70th birthday, Ma'am Mel. Later tayo aawitan natin si Ma'am Mel ng happy birthday, Ma'am. Oh, I need your love, babe. Guess you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe. Just like I need you. Oh, oh, hold me, love me. Hold me, love me. Ain't got nothing but a love, babe. Ain't they so easy? Love you every day, girl. Always on my mind. Di ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda. Di na rin sana pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko di ako ibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Kaya ngayon ang
At katatapos nga lang ng first set natin guys, so magpapahinga muna tayo syempre at kakain na rin.
cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how later I am. 'Cause this angel has gone away from me, leaving me misery. I should have lived her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Oh, this angel has gone pag-invite sa akin. And this is my last song para sa inyong lahat. Thank you po. Meet me at the car shop and in the hop shop. Meet me in the moonlight and in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you, Ma'am, sa Panginoon. Salamat po sa mga.
Alright guys, so tapos na yung ating event. So pauwi na tayo. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod na vlog. See you!